Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add credit card and Google Pay on Android. If you want to add a credit card and Google Pay on Android, start by opening the Google Pay or Google Wallet app on your phone and making sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Then tap on the Payment Methods or Add to Wallet option, where you can choose to add a new card. After that, enter your card details such as card number, expiration date, CVC, cardholder name, and billing address. And once everything is filled in correctly, just review the information and tap Save to add it to your wallet. And if you see any old or unused cards already linked, you can remove them to keep everything organized and avoid payment issues later. And finally, make sure your phone has an active internet connection during setup so the verification process completes without errors. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.